Welcome to this Fundamentals lesson plan series on building documentation, sections and elevations. In this video, we'll take a look at changing the appearance of section head markers. This is video 2 of 9. My name is John Harridge, and I will be your host for today's lesson. Let's look at the learning objectives for video 2. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to load a section head family into a project, reference that section head into a new section head type, and then link that new section head type into the section marker style and edit the type properties accordingly. With that, let's get started. Let's begin this exercise by opening up an existing exercise file. Go ahead and click Open and browse out to your tutorial directory. And let's open up the file Building Documents Exercise 02. So the purpose of modifying section heads is to put your own stamp on how building construction documents appear. And that's a pretty popular thing for companies to do, to give it their personal stamp. We'll begin this process by loading a section head family into the project. So go ahead and click the Insert tab. Next, go ahead and select the Load Family tool. In the Revit library, go ahead and open up the Annotations folder. Double left click. Once inside the Annotations folder, go ahead and scroll down until you find the Section Head Family series, and then look for the Section Head Open. Go ahead and left click to select it. You'll see a preview in the upper right hand corner. Go ahead and click Open to continue. Next, we'll move on to creating a new section head type. So click on Manage and then click Additional Settings and then select Section Tags. For the section head, let's go ahead and duplicate this style and create a new one. Go ahead and give it the name Open Space Arrow. Click OK to continue. That just gives it a name. We haven't set the actual property yet. So for section head, go ahead and left click in that value field and click on the pull down menu and go ahead and choose our new section head Open as the style and click OK to continue. So that just creates the section head. Now we have to reference that section head type to the section line style. So to do that, let's open up the ground floor plan view and place the section line in a selection set. And let's edit its type properties. Click Edit Type. Similar to before, let's go ahead and create a new style. Click Duplicate. Go ahead and give it the same name, Open Space Arrow. And click OK to continue. For the section tag, let's go ahead and click on the pull down menu in the value field. And then go ahead and choose our Open Arrow style. Once that property is set, go ahead and click OK to continue. Click OK once again. And there you have your updated section marker. Just demonstrating that this now shows up in the family tree under Annotations. We have a new section head Open family type that's available for use. We won't make any changes from this window. Scrolling back up in Project Browser. Let's go ahead and save the file. Go to your Revit menu, perform a file save as, and let's give it the name Building Documents Exercise 02 Finished. Go ahead and click Save after you give it a name. This concludes this lesson. Let's go ahead and take a look at next steps. Let's review the learning objectives for video 2. In this lesson, you were able to load a section head family from the Revit library. Next, we created a new section head type, gave it a name, and then we referenced that section head type into the section line style and modified its type properties. And then you saw it update in the project file. With that, let's take a look at Autodesk resources that are available to you. I would like to make you aware of two Autodesk resources. The first resource is the Autodesk Education Community, where you can access free software for both students and educators for titles like Autodesk Revit featured in this series. The website address is www.students.autodesk.com. Registration is required to access the free software using either your personal email address or your school-issued email address. The second resource is the Autodesk Digital STEAM Workshop. It's hands-on, project-based learning across multiple industries such as architecture, engineering, and entertainment. The website address is www.digitalsteam.autodesk.com. Registration is required to download the free learning resources using your Autodesk ID created from the Autodesk Education Community. You will find the Fundamentals of Architecture series under the Subject pull-down menu, Architecture link. Assets include step-by-step instructions, datasets, and videos. This concludes this lesson overview summary. Thank you for watching.